What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it's kind of unfortunate where my position has gone with Shiba Inu. Right? I have my exit plan, and I've had many other exit plans as we've seen kind of the light at the end of the tunnel. But that light seemed to be just a false light, right? It wasn't the end of the tunnel. It was just a light leading to more of the tunnel. It was just a light bulb that was shining bright when we thought it was daylight. Shiba Inu um, honestly had some of the biggest fails. And I'm not saying that things are over and you won't see a push with it, you won't see growth with it, but are we going to see the things that we wanted to see when it comes to burns, when it comes to decreasing that supply? I think that ship has sailed, unfortunately. So, what I want to do is I kind of want to talk about my exit plan with it. I don't plan on being a person that's going to become a SHIB millionaire. Is there an option for people to become a SHIB millionaire? Most likely. Yeah, you can see some growth where we currently are to a maybe $20 billion market cap for sure. You can see that depending on how much you put in there. But when it comes to people spending $1,000 or $2,000 and making a boatload of money from this, the people in the beginning have made a lot of money from the growth to where SHIB got to at a high. And I congratulate them for how much they made. But because of the SHIB ecosystem dev team and everything that they did there, the idea of making a million or multiple $1 million from this position has sort of set sail, right? I'm not saying that I totally give up on that I won't have anything earmarked for what could be potentially way bigger and what could be a massive burn amount. But meme coins do have a lifespan. They have a range that you invest into. Now, you can potentially make a lot of money with an OG uh, meme coin like Shiba Inu, but are we going to see what we want to see when it comes to burns and all that stuff there? So in this video, I want to talk about my exit plan, where Shiba Inu is, and all of that. If you guys want to, hit the like button, please do so. If you also want to check out my links down below for anything, feel free to do so. I do have a link for iTrustCapital, which is today's video sponsor. Actually, with iTrustCapital, you have the ability to invest into forever cryptocurrencies, meme coins, anything they do offer for their Roth IRA as well as a traditional IRA. So if you are making money from cryptocurrency, let's say you have $100,000 in Shiba Inu and you expect it to grow 20x, 40x or whatever. If you were looking to, use a regular exchange, you would pay a lot in taxes. When it comes to a Roth IRA, you pay zero in taxes in the end, as long as you let it live to retirement age. I currently have a Roth IRA with iTrustCapital, and you can buy Shiba Inu over here. So you can hold it, you can believe in it, you can have it for a long time, and then, live out your account and be able to not have to pay taxes in the end as long as you do have a Roth IRA. With traditional IRA, you will have deferred taxes versus Roth IRAs, taxes that are completely eliminated. So if you guys want to check it out, feel free to do so. The link is down there in the description. They have a lot of different assets that you guys can buy, from forever cryptocurrencies to even meme coins like Doge and Shiba Inu. But let's go ahead and talk about this position. So SHIB currently stands at a price of 504183. It is at a $2.46 billion market cap, with a $2.46 billion total unlocked market cap. So meaning all of the supply is out there. You have $55 million worth of volume, which is great. It's not the most we've ever seen. We've seen billions of dollars that have gone through this, but $55 million is not horrible. A 2.24% volume to market cap ratio. It has over 3 million holders. So there is strength in this position. It's just, is there enough to do what we want it to do, which is create millionaires out of it? 589 trillion coins in circulating supply. If we look at history over the last week, it is down by 5%. Over the last month, it's down by 15%. The last year, it's down by 69 or 70%. All history, it is still up by 313,000% here. So obviously, people have made a lot of money. This is where people have made majority of their money from Shiba Inu, and I congratulate them for doing that. Anybody that held from there to where we are here today, you went through an absolute roller coaster, but you still have made a lot of money from this position. From the moment they said go to any time after that, you've made a ton of money from it. So again, I congratulate you for it. But are we going to see any SHIB millionaires out of the more recent history that we see out of it? Now, if you don't know, the whole idea with SHIB was to see burns that were happening, whatever the case may be, right? Any type of burn that we could do, whether it was through normal transactions, if we can get that to happen, through Shibarium, if we can get that to happen, through companies and businesses and gaming and different concepts to burn as much Shiba Inu as possible to see this meme coin create value for a lot of people that don't really have a lot. And that's where the term SHIB millionaire came into play, right? We can become a SHIB millionaire with burning down the entire supply and doing it as a community. However, we put all of our eggs into that one basket of the ecosystem dev team doing everything to burn Shiba Inu. And if we all man together and all believe in this one thing and see Shibarium burn down a lot, we could see Shiba Inu get to a massive price. However, they basically scammed us by offering us NFTs, offering us metaverse lands, offering us bone and leash and other things to go, hey, this will burn SHIB or support SHIB, and none of it ever did. So we put all of our efforts and all of our belief into that, and that's why that ship kind of has sailed, because the community was at its strongest point. 3 million holders at its strongest point, and they decided to give up on us. They didn't even believe in us in the first place. They believed in themselves and making money. That's all they believed in. And we took it as they believed in us, but they didn't, right? They just wanted our money in different assets in different places. But when it comes to where Shiba Inu is now, have I completely given up on it? No. I still see a lot of potential. You can still see, especially in a meme coin, an OG meme coin, you can expect to see multiple billions of dollars worth of a market cap. I expect to see upwards of a 50 to $100 billion market cap with the FOMO and run in altcoin season. Now, do I expect it to stay there? No. Do I expect it to be down here at a $2 billion market cap? No. I also expect it to stay or hover around a 10, maybe even $20 billion market cap with the amount of people that are holding for that long term that we can see. Now, this doesn't really have any holdability to it because it doesn't have a concept of, that you can use it. So that's where it becomes a little bit dicey, as you can see some of these higher prices in the FOMO and the expectation with the 3 million holders, but it doesn't hold at those levels. Now, I did want to show you kind of where my exit plan stands, because no longer am I looking to be a Shiba Inu millionaire. Majority of my money is in utility plays. And while there was a lot of opportunity to make a ton of money, I wasn't invested into it as it got to the highs anyways. I invested into it kind of after, as you see the lower levels and the growth at about 0.0002 or yeah, 0.00002 or something like that. Where I had about $2,000 that I invested into it. Right now, it's worth a lot less. But I have 90 million that's sitting here. I expect, as we see it get to a $41 billion market cap, that's where I probably will make a move of half my, Shiba Inu, and the rest of it, I'll probably see at a higher level of around 100. I skip kind of 58 to 176 million or billion. So if we look at that price, 176, and we just go ahead and change this to a 2, we're going to see it at about 100 billion. So let's just say that's the case. Majority of my Shiba Inu will probably be gone, around 40 million of it, and I'll be collecting about $8,000 to $11,000 for Shiba Inu. So going from being able to potentially make so much if we believed in the community rather than the ecosystem dev team, to making $11,000 or minus the $2,000, $9,000 on this position. I also don't have a crazy amount in there. While it did seem like a crazy amount when we had that expectation, it's no longer that. So yeah, it's just interesting to me because you have the opportunity, you have the mindset, you have the belief, but then you call out the community or call out the ecosystem dev team. The community doesn't believe you. Community doesn't see what you're seeing, and then you end up being right, and it doesn't benefit anybody. It really doesn't. Like, I don't want to be like, oh, I told you so. I told you it would not be worth as much as we thought if we believed in this ecosystem dev team. I want to say I told you so, but it also doesn't benefit anybody. I don't gain anything out of it. You don't gain anything out of it. The community doesn't gain what they want out of it. And it sucks. It really does. Going from potentially making millions, Shiba Inu millionaire, to now only making about $9,000 from it. Now, granted, I have made money from other positions, and I've also made money from other meme coins. But it's about it's the principle of the thing, right? There's so much opportunity, but then we shrink it down to so little. It sucks. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. It still does have a lot of potential, right? To talk about this getting from a $2 billion market cap where it stands to a $20 billion market cap is still a 10x, right? It's still a 10x return. So if you have $100,000 worth of Shiba Inu for some reason, you can make $1 million from this. I only have a very low amount of Shiba Inu. Right, when I look at the SHIB that I have, I only have $390 worth of Shiba Inu. Like, that's all that I have in my possession. So I could obviously get a lot more. I could hold $1 billion if I wanted to, and it would only be thousands of dollars. So, but the thing is that there are people out there that hold multiple billions and can still see a lot more, right? That $3,000 can grow to being worth $30,000. Or $300,000 if you can see all of those or all that growth up to a $200 billion market cap potentially. But for me, that ship has kind of sailed into other projects, utility-based projects. So anyways, I want to know what you guys think about this. I haven't given up on SHIB. I still hold 100 million, but it's just not nearly as valuable as it used to be. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.